Hey everyone, Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now, so we're going to get a train video. See what it is. See what it is. BNSF, alright! DPU, alright! 117 cars. That train was chugging around, Jack. He was chugging, Jack. Symbol that train was BNSF ES44C4 leading about the grain train. He's loaded up scallop potatoes. That train here originates at water. Train starts out in Polo, Illinois. Heads west, going to Memphis, Tennessee. They go to Memphis, Tennessee. They unload scallop potatoes and make from boxes. Stores might come out and sell them. Happened on this cloudy Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023, by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation YouTube. I saw that empty bear table and piggybacks again sitting around the siding coming from about 3 weeks ago. I'm going to check the signal one more time. We got a red signal. Well, my name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed your video. Excuse me. Have a good day.